Is your hotel facing low footfall? Is your hotel business having a low occupancy rate? Do you want to minimize your maintenance cost on empty rooms or restaurant tables? Or do you want to generate additional guaranteed revenue at zero-cost marketing? Well, we at RKRM Group has got you covered. We bring to you customized loyalty programs with no monetary investments. This free-of-cost loyalty and marketing plan assures to generate more revenue and increase the footfall. No losses will be incurred by the hotels even during situations like pandemic or market recession. Even the rooms that remain empty could be filled through the loyalty program, which will create extra revenue for your hotel. Isn't it easy and effective strategy? Let us help your hotel business flourish at zero cost, while you just sit back and relax.